In a town full of colors and sunshine lived a boy who didn't like to stay clean. But one magical day, everything changed. Let me tell you the story of Max and the magic soap. Once upon a time, in a colorful town called Sunnyville, lived a boy named Max who didn't like cleaning up. He avoided brushing his teeth, hated washing his hands, and his room looked like a tornado had passed through. One sunny day, while Max was digging in the backyard, he found a sparkling blue soap with stars on it. As soon as he touched it, it glowed, and a tiny voice said, "I'm Bubbly, the magic soap. I'm here to teach you the power of cleanliness." Bubbly whisked Max away on a magical adventure. They visited Germville, a dark and dirty place filled with sneaky germs. "Yuck!" Max cried. "This place smells awful." Bubbly said, "Germs live where there's dirt, but with a little soap and water, we can send them away." Max watched as Bubbly created a rainbow of bubbles, washing the germs away and turning Germville into Cleanland, a bright, fresh place full of flowers and butterflies. Back home, Max looked at his messy room and grabbed a broom. He cleaned his room, washed his hands, brushed his teeth, and even helped his mom with the dishes. From that day on, Max became the clean hero of Sunnyville, and Bubbly was always by his side. And that's how Max learned that being clean isn't just nice, it's powerful. When you stay clean, you stay healthy, happy, and ready for any adventure. Remember, friends, clean hands, clean teeth, and a clean room mean a happy you and happy people around you. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new story. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.